Hello students, today we are going to discuss the another kind of reaction, that is the displacement or single displacement reaction. As it is clear from the name, displacement means something is replaced by the other thing, right? Here is the matter of the what? The elements. Fine. So this reaction will occur, such type of reactions will occur only under certain conditions, and the conditions are very important. Number one of the reactants should be a metal, right? For these kind of reaction, one reactant should be a metal. Number two, the other reactant should be a water soluble salt. Another salt should be a water soluble salt, right? That means we can have that salt in the aqueous state, right? Number three, the metal present in the salt should be below in the activity series, while the single metal atom should be above in the activity series. So I just want to clear this thing over here, right? If the only single metal is there, that should be above in the activity series, and the other metal which is present in the salt solution should be below in the activity series. Let us explain with the help of an example. Example is Zn plus CuSO4. Copper sulfate is a water soluble salt, no problem. It's aqueous solution. So now you see zinc is above copper in the activity series. So zinc can knock out copper from here. So zinc displaces copper from here, and that copper comes out in the form of individual metal. And zinc form the solution, that is zinc sulfate. Right? So what is there? This in one of the metal is there, another one in the water soluble salt solution, and the metal present in the salt solution is below to the metal which is independent as a reactant. Fine. Now the last condition is, if the reaction is between a metal and an acid, then acid should be a dilute acid. Point to be noted. Acid should be a dilute acid. So see the second reaction over here. Zn plus H2SO4 dilute, right, will give you ZnSO4 plus H2. So here in the sulfuric acid, hydrogen comes below zinc in the activity series. So zinc is able to displace hydrogen, and hydrogen is released. Fine. And zinc form the salt solution zinc sulfate. This is also water soluble salt, right? Another one, you see, iron is a metal above in the activity series as compared to copper. And the copper sulfate is a water soluble salt. So aqueous solution of copper sulfate, when iron is added into it, iron displaces copper from here, and the copper is separated in the form of individual metal, and we get FeSO4. And these all reactions are actually very colorful. Here copper sulfate is blue in color, and the zinc sulfate is white in color. Colorless solution. So what happens when this reaction takes place? The color of the salt solution changes from blue to colorless, and at the bottom of the test tube a reddish brown solid is seen, that is copper. This is altogether a colorless reaction, but only the brisk effort, this hydrogen gas is released, right, which burns with the pop sound. And the third reaction is very interesting. The blue color of the copper sulfate changes into the green color ferrous sulfate solution, right, because FeSO4 is green in color and the copper sulfate is blue in color. And the same thing happens at the bottom of the test tube, a reddish brown solid is observed. So this is about the displacement or single displacement reaction. Children, you should be very well known about the rules. Then only you will be able to do it. So thank you children, but don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thank you.